J Tiger in Thailand. We have a wonderful tofu steak dish from the wonderful Miss Wee Rhea Martin. And we have spring onion, white onion, a little pepper, and some ginger. And this is definitely delicious. And plus we have a 3-egg omelet with coriander, spicy bird chilies, onion, a little fish sauce, a little pepper, and a little soy sauce. And definitely delicious. And on top of the wonderful washing machine. And this is the rainy season, well, getting to be the rainy season in Bangkok, Thailand. Actually, on the other side of the building, the sun is shining.